Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my spice earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers. Our findings include eye pins, an ear wire, and 4mm jump rings. We also will be using Czech glass, 8mm crystal dual coat, dark orange over half silver, this cute little glass heart, a complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search spice earrings. I just strung 2 Czech glass 8mm beads, my glass heart, and 2 Czech glass 8mm beads. Forming a simple loop, I'm bending the wire down, coming back in, trimming off that little end, and now we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I want to make sure that the loops are facing the same way. So I just gave it a little bend, and now you can see our loops are facing the same way. Now we're going to grab the wires, and we are going to start gently bending those wires up. I want to make sure I don't break the glass centerpiece. So just bend those wires up. Using our chain nose pliers, I'm just making a bend upward. Let's go to the other side and bend upward. Moving on to our top connector piece. Using an eye pin, string 2 Czech glass 8mm, your ear wire, and 2 Czech glass 8mm. Making sure those beads are nice and tight. Bend your wire down using our wire cutters. We're going to trim off that little end and form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. I want to make sure they're facing the same way, so just give the wire a little twist. Now we are just going to, I want to make sure that our ear wire is right in there. Do you see how it kind of clicked a little bit? And we want to bend the wires up. Checking my loops, I'm just going to slightly, very slightly bend those loops. Using a 4mm jump ring, this is how you open and close the jump ring. We're going to open it, grab the bottom, attach, grab the top, and close your jump ring. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We're going to open it, grab the bottom, attach, come around to the top, attach, and close our jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my spice earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.